Today's adventure will take us to a batik making class in East Legon, Ghana by our gracious host, Grace ADOVAR.
Designs like Adinkra symbols, some of them they are just a design. So you pick yourself the one you like, 2 or 1 foam. Then we can go to the table and start. You have to.
So this one is
put
the
wax on
candle
it
wax.
and remove it. This candle wax.
Candle wax, and then we'll use these to put inside the wax to make the designs.
Put it on it, but you won't press it too much. Stamp it straight. Okay? It's okay. Press it. Oh, hold it. Don't leave it. Hold it. That's it. If you are doing it, make the foam should be straight. Please.
I'm mixing the colors for the batik. You put hot water, cold water, purple color, and 2 chemicals, hydro and
Caustic.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right
She's
here.
dyeing its fabric. Open it up.
This is called the batik fabric.
Put it inside. Use your 2 hands to be turning it inside. Smooth, and then you open it. Open it. The fabric is going to the boiling hot water to take the wax off in the fabric.
Sandra's my mom's name.
Oh, okay. Oh, this one is not your mom. It's stubborn. She's washing his own fabric, batik. You can see the water is not coming out, like the color is not coming to the water like it's running.
Right.
Yeah. Be turning it. So that will be wet, but not that wet. That's it. So he's doing his marbling. Marbling. We call it marbling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks black now, but
It's not black.
what color is it?
This one is the gold.
Gold. So we'll see how the colors change.
The second part too.
Right here, right?
Mm-hmm. Slowly.
Miss Grace calls this marbling, but it simply reminds me of tie-dyeing. Look at how beautiful this came out. You can really see the gold and the red technique. I've always worn Ghanaian material, but I never knew the process of how it's made. I'm so glad that I took the batik making class, and if you are ever in Accra, Ghana, make sure you check out Miss Grace. Hope you enjoyed.